In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bullish Flag Chart Pattern quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through the exact steps you need to follow inside Tradingview so you can quickly add the Bullish Flag Chart Pattern to your charts and start using it in your analysis. I'll keep it simple and clear, so even if you're fairly new to Tradingview or technical analysis, you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. First, open up your Tradingview chart for any market you're analyzing. This could be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other instrument available on the platform. Once your chart is open and you're on the time frame you like to trade or analyze, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually located above the chart area along the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on indicators. This opens the indicators and strategies window, which is where you can search for built-in tools, community scripts, and pattern recognition indicators. Inside the search bar of that window, start typing the word flag. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list of available tools to show anything related to flags or flag patterns. Take a moment to let the results populate and then look specifically for the option labeled Bullish Flag Chart Pattern. This is typically listed under the indicators or built-in tools section, depending on how Tradingview is currently organizing its pattern tools. Once you see Bullish Flag Chart Pattern in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart. You might notice that Tradingview begins scanning the price action and automatically marks out bullish flag formations where they appear. This can save you a lot of time compared to manually drawing every pattern yourself, and it helps keep your chart analysis consistent. From here, you can customize your view if you want. You can adjust things like colors, line thickness, or visibility by hovering over the indicator name on your chart, clicking the settings icon, and exploring the options available. This step is optional, but it can make the patterns easier to see and align better with your personal chart style. Finally, if you want to unlock more advanced chart features on Tradingview, such as additional alerts, more indicators per chart, and extended data, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for Tradingview Pro. It's a great way to upgrade your charting experience while supporting the channel at the same time. That's all you need to do to quickly and easily add the Bullish Flag Chart Pattern to your Tradingview charts.